Borderless House. So now we're at Zhongshan2 House right now. Did you just see the surroundings? It's really prosperity. And then next, if you want to know more information, we're going to show the traffic and then the surroundings picture to you, and also the interior of Zhongshan2 House. So let's see it together.
Okay, so now let's see the surroundings map together. This is Zhongshan2 House, and if you like to exercise, you can go to Zhongshan Sports Center. It just takes 1 minute to arrive on foot, and there is a 7-Eleven just beside the center. If you want to go for shopping, you can go to Taipei Easy Mall to shop. On the weekend, there are also some bazaars in front of Zhongshan MRT exit. Not only that, there are many stores around the house, like the department store Shinko Mitsugushi, Estate bookstore, or some drugstore like Watson, Poya, to buy some necessities. Also, there are many popular restaurants, stores, salons nearby the house. It's a prosperous area, and all of the stores I mentioned above are all within 10 minutes walk. And about the traffic, there is a bus station called Guobing Fandian nearby the house. Just take 4 minutes walk to arrive. And also, there is a U-bike stop at the exit 2 of Zhongshan Station. Takes about 3 minutes to arrive. For the MRT, let's check the metro map together. Zhongshan Station is the nearest station for Zhongshan2 House and only take 2 minutes on foot to arrive. And it just takes 1 stop to arrive at Taipei Main Station. For arriving at the university, just take 7 stops to Gongguan Station. It's the nearest station to NTU. And then if you want to go to NTNU, it just takes around 30 minutes by taking the MRT Red Line to arrive at Dongmen, or Green Line, arrive at Gongguan.
Hi! I'm already inside the Zhongshan2 House right now. So let me show you the interior of Zhongshan2 House. So come over here. We can see here's the living room place. We have provided tenant the TV, table, and sofa that they can enjoy their time here. Maybe watch the Netflix together or movie together. And then come over here. You can see we also provide the tenants the food box. You can see there has lots of food. And then for each tenant will have 1 food box to let them put their food. And then downstairs you can see we have provided the tenants who live in the shared room the security box. So let them put the valuable things, maybe the passport or maybe the money inside. And then come over here. Next, I'm going to introduce the dining place. So for the dining place, they can eat here, enjoy their meal, or maybe they can just walk here. Because you know here has many places for them. They can study together and then work together here. And then not only that, we also have the balcony here. You can see there's the big window and then here's the balcony. And then if the weather is nice, you can just sit here and enjoy your breakfast with other tenants.
Beside the balcony, there has the whiteboard. You can write down something important on it, like the common fund and then the cleaning schedule right over here.
So now we're at the kitchen right now. So come over here. We provided some basic utilities like the appliances. Like look over here. We have the rice cooker, the kettle, and downstairs we'll have the microwave and then the oven. And then come over here. We also have the refrigerator for the tenants. And then also here we have like the basic utensils, the plate, the bowl, and then the cup for the tenants. And not only that, we provided some pot and pan for the tenants to cook.
After the kitchen, now we're going to the laundry place. So for the laundry place here, you can see there has the washing machine, and then up here you can just hang your clothes after washing it. And then downstairs here, you can see there will be the recycled garbage you can put here.
Right over here will be our 1A3 females room, and inside their room they will have their own bathroom. And then come over here, you can see here is 1C 3 males room, and then this is 1B private room. And then for this shared bathroom is for the 1B C rooms tenants. Hi, so after the house tour video, what do you think about our house, Zhongshan2? So if you are interested inside the house, you can check our website. You can send us an inquiry form. And then also if you want to get to know more information, you can check the Facebook and then the Instagram Instagram account to us. Okay, maybe see you in the future. Bye bye.